We're here with the winning coach and there. You know, people already know him, Coach DIXON. First of all, congrats on qualifying to the finals. How does it feel?
It feels really good. You know, I'm really excited for the boys. You know, and to get to the final. It's been a long time. It's been a long time for SELASSIE, you know, trying to get to a final, and today we really dig deep and earn it today.
This SELASSIE team would have defied the odds. You know, nobody would have predicted that you guys would be exactly where you are right now in this position. You know, what were your expectations coming into the season?
Oh well, listen. We know we have a young team, but we always try to push our team to the limit to get the best from them, you know, because I always believe the best is good enough for me, you know, and today the guys come here ready to play, ready to win, because they want to set a record. They want to have a record there and to get to a final. It's amazing for the boys.
All right, speak to us about your team performance in today's game.
Well, it's a good game. It's a good game, I think. You know, not one of our best game, but you know, I think you know we really play well in patches. We get a lot of opportunity where we should have scored at least 2 goals or 3. You know, but such is the nature of the game. And I think overall, you know, the team really dig deep and get this victory and go to the final.
Alright, coach, standout players like Burton, Hibbert, and Duar, you know, are just a few names in the team that made your team what they are this season. Speak to us about the various individual performances that allowed HAILE SELASSIE to be the team that they are right now.
Well, they always give their best, and they always put that effort out there, you know, for our team, because the team feed from those guys. And once those guys are playing well, the team will play well, you know, and the team will step up. And today, you know, they proved that, and the team stepped up and give the victory, give the performance that we need to go to a final. You know, and it's really saying good for HAILE SELASSIE. And we will continue.
Coach, is your team a young team? You know, will there be a lot of people coming back next season?
Yeah, naturally, we, of course, we'll lose 4 players next season. You know, but we will always shop in and try to get replacement, and naturally we have some replacement on the bench, you know, because they are still gonna be here. And but again, we will always grow, we'll always learn, we'll always improve, because you know we as a team never say die. You know, that we have that mentality and that attitude, because we are not like the big guys, you know, but you know we just work together as a unit, and you know we'll get the result.
And you said you guys are not like the big guys, and that leads me to the last question. You know, a player like Hibbert, a young, outstanding goalkeeper, aren't you worried that he might be poached in upcoming seasons?
He will. I wouldn't worry at all, you know, because when I think that, you know, if a player wants to elevate himself, you know, to a bigger team or so on, then naturally you don't have any control for it, you know. But we always want our players to play in our team and to build the team and to build themselves too, and we will continue to keep on telling them all of those things, you know. So listen, he's a 15-year-old, he's still very, very young, still have a way amount of football ahead of him, and I know he will get it right, and he will continue to learn and improve and be a better goalkeeper for SELASSIE. If not SELASSIE, we always wish him all the best.
Alright, coach, once again, congrats on the finals. What can we expect from SELASSIE come the finals versus either Tivoli Gardens or St. George's High School?
Well, listen, I can tell you we are proud to be in the final, you know, and we will give it our best shot on that day. You know, if it's George's or if it's Tivoli, you know, we know that we're going to come here and give it our best on the day. If on the day best is not good enough, then we lift our heart to the team. But we will come here and fight to the end.
Alright, coach, congrats again, and we will see you on Friday.
Thank you very much.
Come on, coach, we want to get in touch.